this gracious land, for as they walk the shores of Fraser, here they hold on to your colored sand. I fell in love with the many colors, joyful apparition in the sky, bathed in light, warmth overwhelming, bestowing solace from on high. Safety's mine within his reaches, everlasting peace of mind, safe for wilderness, sly endeavors to remove me from my kind. For will ceaseless careless cruelty, his boomerang a deadly foe, to rainbows vow to air protect me from a slave wife's life of woe. Alas, he charmed by use of magic, my night watchman when rainbow rests, and succeeded to entrap me. Now his wife, subject to his request, a woman's scorn is often cited as more potent than the flames of hell, but cowardly Burwell rallied when he heard the night watchman's bell. One foul blow against my rainbow had colors dancing through the sky, and as they fell, they formed tight